How to create McDonald's account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded McDonald's app in your device. Now launch it. You will land to this kind of page. At the top left corner, you will find the option of account. Click on it. Now head towards the option of register. Now you have to fill this. You can register for your account using Apple ID, Facebook, Twitter, or also you can directly enter your email address and password. So you can directly enter your email address and password. After you fill this, check in for this option. I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on sign up. Now you will be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered over here. So you can close this and open your mail and check. So here you can see that I have received mail from McDonald's. You will also receive similar kind of mail. Open it. So this is the code. You can copy it. Now close this. Open your McDonald's app. Paste that code over here. After you type in the code, click on Authenticate. And with that, your account will be created. Now you can click on this option of Edit Profile. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily create McDonald's account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.